Don't let anyone ever tease you about your height.
All right.
May the font be with you. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Here at Font Awesome, we're always cooking up something new. In fact, we've been whipping up icons for so long, they're now on hundreds of millions of websites and seen trillions of times every month. That's one icon for every person on Earth, every hour of every day. And that's math. You can check it with some people who know that stuff. And each release has been tastier than the last. And Font Awesome 7 is no different. Tell me you don't want to take a bite of that. We've updated all our icon designs to use more consistent key shapes and square canvases. We've also lovingly redrawn every single icon. And while we're at it, we even added a whole slew of new icons. And with the Icon Wizard, there's now over 1 million icon possibilities. It's like magic! Those icons really stack up. Yeah, he'll be fine. But Font Awesome's biggest problem? It's everywhere. But sometimes you need something that tastes a little different. And that's why with Font Awesome 7, we're expanding the menu. Introducing Pro Plus. We've collaborated with some of the world's best icon designers to bring you entirely new, visually unique sets. Whether you need something playful and friendly.
That's both playful and friendly.
Something structural and organic.
Yes! Yes!
Or something else entirely.
They changed the recipe. They changed the recipe.
We sure did, Milton. I really like you as a hot dog more than I liked you as a human man.
They always like my buns.
And if you have a favorite icon set, or even one you designed on your own, no problem. Yeah, chef. From fresh updates of our core icons to our new mouth-watering Pro Plus styles, version 7 has something for every taste. The only question is, what's right for your next project? I don't know because I'm not you and I live on a screen. Now go make something awesome.
It's starting to get hot. Is it supposed to be hot?